Hey everyone, welcome back to SMM Qt. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add funds to your SMM panel account quickly and easily using the bKash auto payment system. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your SMM panel account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Add Funds section. Select the first option of the list. Next, you'll be asked to enter the amount you wish to add. Type the amount and double-check it to ensure. Once you've entered the amount, click on Pay or press Enter to proceed to the next step. This will redirect you to the mobile payment gateway. Tap on the bKash option. Enter your bKash account number. Now, take out your smartphone. You'll receive a notification from the bKash app asking you to approve the payment. It will send you an OTP. Enter the OTP, then click on Confirm. After process the OTP, enter your bKash account PIN number and press Enter or click on Confirm. And that's it. Within seconds, your payment will be processed, and the funds will automatically reflect in your SMM panel balance. Now I am going to show you how to order in our SMM panel. On the New Order tab located in the menu on the left-hand side, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Category. Here, you can choose the social media platform where you want to boost your presence, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or others. After selecting your platform, another drop-down labeled Service will appear. This is where you choose the specific service. For example, if you're on Facebook, you can select options like followers, likes, views, or even comments. Take your time to pick the service that best suits your needs. Make sure to read the description carefully. Now it's time to fill in the details. You'll see a field asking for the link. This is where you input the URL of your social media post or profile. Be sure to enter it correctly. Next, specify the quantity. How many followers, likes, or views do you want? You can adjust this based on your budget and goals. The price will automatically update based on the quantity you select, so you know exactly what you'll be paying. Once you've filled in all the details, take a moment to review your order. If everything looks good, click Submit. Your order will start processing. You can track the progress of your order by going to the Orders tab in your dashboard. Here, you'll see all your active, completed, and pending orders.